So we're going to be demonstrating that this side is equal to the other side. So that means really here I'm trying to prove that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Should I turn that on? Okay, so what I'm first going to do is I'm going to look for things that I can groupie. So this one's got that constant or the coefficient in front of it, so I don't think I want to touch that one first. If I take this one and I take this one and I try and simplify them, I might get something that will knock out some of this term. So let's just give that a go. Some of this is just practicing with it to see what happens or the way that numbers interact. So we're going to be looking at cos 70 degrees plus cos 20 degrees. Okay, so we're going to simplify that. So the first thing I want to do is match the rule. So I've got cos 70 plus cos 20. So I'm going over to my formula booklet and I'm going to look for one where I've got cos plus cos. So I can find that. It's cos A, cos B is equal to 1/2 cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Okay, so to get this to look like that, all I have to do is move that 2 across. So if I take that over there, now it's looking more like what we have. So I want to determine the value of A. So A minus B is going to be equal to the smaller one because when you take something away, it's going to get smaller. So equals 20, which means A is equal to 20 plus B. And then A plus B is going to be equal to 70. So A equals 70 minus B. Now we can solve simultaneously. 20 plus B is equal to 70 minus B. So that means if I take this B over there, 20B is going to be equal to 50, or B equals 25. Now I can substitute it back in here to determine the value of A. So A equals 20 plus 25. So A equals 45. Okay, so I've determined my values of A and B, so I can substitute that in here, back in this expression. Now, I never touched this, so I'm going to state that first. Minus root 2 cos 25. Now I'm going to put plus here. This is 2 cos. Our value of A is 45 degrees, and our value of B is 25 degrees. Okay, and we're trying to prove that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, so next thing I can do, I know that this is an exact value. This one right here, cos of 45 degrees is root 2 on 2. So that'll be 2 times root 2 on 2 cos 25 degrees. Plus, and I still haven't touched anything at the front here. Okay, so once I have done this, I can start cancelling. So they will cancel each other out, and then I've got the negative root 2 cos 25 plus root 2 cos 25. So these two things will cancel each other out, and I'll just be left with 0 is equal to 0. Now, because it's asked me to demonstrate, I need to state my findings. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, therefore true.